Kafur Hausa TV.
Really, I'm fed up with all this crime. Maganan su guda ɗaya babu rhyme. Talking about them is just a waste of time. Calling promises, they never pay a dime. We are hustling and suffering, but all they would think about is just the killing. Yaran Arewa are hanging at the starving. So sharing even about the raping. We cried, we tried, we even protest, but most of us died. Naija no dey safe even if you fight. Let's not ask them to make all the things right. Cause even us, we get our own pride. This my motherland, don't be surprised. All I'm praying, let them not come and divide us. Cause first of all, they only bring us virus. And they kill the heroes where at last and them go save us. You know it, God no go shame us. Now you go save us for the knife when they stab us.
Aisha Mufida I got a West chain, I got a left chain, I got a tattoo, nigga, what you got to? Driving my leg a Benz, you say I'm jobless, I think I'm just blessed, you envy my business. Point and kill, point and kill. Kill and point, kill and point. Kai masa kauce, karka haukace, mu muke nunawa a karkashe. Shanshane, kana da jane, mu da ke ma tara mutane. Abiya a shiga, mata bata daga, biya da sire, mutum ya takada, ba a mabarga, ina da zuga, mu ne ke ta da gu, mu bishi da ganga.